Hi Kelly, this is Scott Walker, making this video for you just to show you kind of what I do and how I've helped other auto glass companies get more leads and revenue from using their website, Google Business Profile, and Google Ads. And so I'd like to start with your website, which I really like. It looks very clean and professional. But one thing that I would really recommend for you is to add more content on here. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, that means service and a location, so like windshield replacement, Phoenix. Those are the types of buyer intent keywords that people are like looking right now for your service. The other thing you could do is if you save your pictures and imagery correctly, instead of it just saying your name, it could be saved as a buyer intent keyword too, along with the location, because it's embedded behind the photo. So I do use a tool called Eris to show me your analytics and where you're setting the DR and UR as the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up and balanced. You're currently at 29 and 11 for your DR and UR, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks. What a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for quite a few keywords, but you're only getting about 6 people to your website each month through organic searches, and that is kind of where I would like to look and see what kind of keywords that I would recommend getting ranked for. Blue chip glass, you're number 2, and you're getting 3 people for that one. Let's see. Near me's I consider a national keyword, so there's only 70 searches, so if someone is like in Utah like I am, and you're ranking for that keyword, they might not be the ones that are looking for you. But yeah, like auto glass, Phoenix, Arizona, windshield replacement, Phoenix, windshield, Phoenix, those are the types of buyer intent keywords because they're looking for that service in that location. And so I just did a quick search of windshield replacement, Phoenix, and right up top, this is Google Ads. This is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies get the most leads. These are our cost per click, and to get a good click-through rate, you want to make sure that as much of that keyword is in the search as possible. It does say Arizona here, and it says windshield repair, so that's not exactly the same search. You'd want to say windshield replacement for this. This one right here, Phoenix, Arizona, windshield replacement, so that is all in there, so that would probably be getting the highest click-through, and maybe Save Pro might have it too, but those two will probably have better click-through rates because those are in the ad and in the headline. To get a good conversion rate once you hit the website is you want to have like a click-to-call up top, and then you're going to have a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then if you run any promotions like these guys up to $275 off, do that right here, and then have the background imagery correlate to what the search is. So if you do any specialties like RV windshield replacement, put some RVs in the background. If you're just doing auto glass or windshield, put those in there. And then that will help with your conversion rate. And then after the Google Ads, we go down into the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here. There's lots of ways to get into the map pack or GBP or whatever you want to call it. But the main things that I always recommend are making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same across the internet so you don't mislead people. Getting reviews is a great way to get up here and responding to all reviews, whether good or bad. And I have a little trick on how you can get more Google reviews if that's something that's an issue for you. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and directories like that is beneficial because Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and the Google Ads, about 60% of traffic stops right there. So you do want to be on the top of these searches whenever possible. And then we move down into the organics or the websites. I did forget to show you just kind of some searches. I just did Phoenix, Arizona, and for windshield replacement, there's 2,900 searches per month for that one search. Windshield repair, 880, auto glass, windshield replacement, another 720. So out of 3,000 searches, we want to be in front of as many people as possible. But going to your competitor here, windshield 1 hour Autoglass. Looking at their website here, they don't exactly have too much content on here. They do have a little bit more. But once you start to have better content, the better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you'll start to outrank these guys. And just to kind of give you a glimpse, just windshield replacement with the city searched, there's 1,100 searches per month. Autoglass, Phoenix, Arizona, 500. Phoenix windshield replacement. So you can see there's thousands of searches for your services each and every month. And when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going on your website will give you a call or a form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn to a customer. So Kelly, I hope that this video is beneficial for you. I look forward to talking to you soon. Let's set up a discovery call and see if we would be a good fit to work together. Thanks, have a good one.